Hey guys, it's Dandy. So sorry for disappearing for like a whole month. That was not intentional whatsoever. Also, I'm sorry if you hear Zeus breathing. He's very loud right now. But yeah, it's been almost a month since I've uploaded, and that was not on purpose. It just kind of happened that way, that things were going on and preventing me from like recording and stuff. So I have a Dandy's Diaries video for you, and it's just little snippets from the last month or so, maybe even 2 months. But yeah, so between my new job and trying to get acclimated, I'm going through courses right now and there's deadlines. It's kind of stressful. Anyway, aside from all that, I've also been doing some stuff in my personal life, and I just haven't had a moment to really breathe recently to sit down and actually record. But soon I'll have I have ideas for new videos lined up, and I'm really excited to share them with you. It's just, you know, things are happening, so I'm sorry I disappeared. I will say I have been trying to get outside a little more recently this year, so I do have a bunch of clips from like little hiking trips and walks and stuff that I've been on. Next week I'm going camping. My brain is fried. Next week I'm going camping, and I'm really excited about that, so I'll be sharing that with you too. Something else that I've been working on is my room. You could tell maybe a little bit that some things are different. This behind me isn't much different at my bed, but I'm excited to show you the things that I've done in my room, because it's almost like complete makeover. It feels a lot better. I've still got some things to clean up in the floor and stuff from rearranging and organizing, but once I'm done, I hope to do a room tour again. It's been so long since I've done one of those, and they're so fun to do, and I love my room, and for a minute I didn't love my room and it was really depressing, and now I feel like I'm gonna love my room again, and it's gonna make me feel better. I just got to see Alex again for the first time since September, since we were in Universal together. He came up for the day with his sibling, and we went to the aquarium and stuff. He brought gifts for Christmas and stuff, so I just have to show you my Jujutsu Kaisen friends. My Toji Labubu. Obviously he's not an actual Labubu, but he might as well be. His tail is posable. Isn't he so cute? I love him. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him. I love him. I just felt like that was important news to share, that I got a little Toji cat. Other things that have happened recently, I was brave and I went on a walk organized by the city's like outdoor parks and recreation. I went by myself to a group hike and I was really nervous because obviously I didn't know anybody. But it ended up being really fun and I'm glad I went. I met a couple of friends and it wasn't like a huge group, which was nice. It wasn't overwhelming and it was cool. I think I have clips from that too. Yeah, I will definitely be seeing you guys soon. I've got some things lined up on top of room tour. I'll probably do a tour of my Kinbor and my traveler's notebook up to now, like a, what is it called, like a quarter 1 kind of thing. I feel like it's time for that now. March, April-ish, right? Okay. But yeah, also I got a new lens for my camera for myself for my birthday that I'll be paying on for a bit. But tell me what you think. It's a versatile lens. Thank you, Emmy, for recommending it. It's got a really good zoom range, so I'm excited to get out with that more. And it came with a lens hood, and I've never had one before, and that's exciting. I hope you enjoy them, and I hope you're taking care of yourselves, and I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!